Guys, take a ride with me in this 2023, 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. And this is not what you'd expect, or at least what I expected from a Santa Fe. Just off the bat, your heads-up display, which is essential in these newer vehicles, got this big old LED touchscreen display, digital, everything. This thing is massive. If you look down here, you can see you have the heated seats, cooled seats. Oh, excuse me. It's got the heated steering wheel. It's got the automatic hold feature, dual climate with automatic climate control, road sign tracing assist. The shifter is interesting. The shifter is very, very different. It's got the digital rear view camera, which I love. It's got the upgraded audio system with the Bose in this one. Memory seating for his and her. This is a 3-passenger vehicle, so I would imagine great for the family. The suspension, how it feels on the road, I kind of feel every bump so far. It's quiet, but a lot of road noise. Spacious, it is spacious. Power seat, obviously, with the memory seating. Try to step a little bit higher. Sunroof. See reading lamps here. The blind spots, so that mirror is not out. Oh my gosh, I should check that. The blind spots in this thing don't seem too bad. The digital rearview mirror helps a bunch. Oh, look at that. When you put on your turn signal, it pulls up a little digital camera there for you. So this has to have the 360 camera view. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, so I pulled off just to check out the car, and there is so much to this car that I was not aware of. First, I knew this ahead of time. The shifter in this thing is very peculiar. That's your park button, and then to shift it, you twist this knob. Interesting. That's your 360 camera, which I love. Look at this. While removing, this is dope. Okay. There's a bunch of other things that I discovered. This car's got rear heated seats, power in the rear for your seats as well. It's also got it's a power reclining, like the seats move. What else does this thing have? It does have the 360 field of view, which you saw. Power tailgate. I'm trying to remember everything that I came across. The speed limit's in 2 places here. I like that. What else? Oh, the dual sunroof. It's got a sunroof for the rear, which is awesome. I mean, guys, this is a nice car. Oh yeah, it's got dual wireless phone chargers. How sick is that? So not only can I charge my phone, but you can charge your phone. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Captain's chairs in the rear, 3 seats in the back. I'm sorry for the ums, but this thing is it's blowing my mind. I want an SUV. I do. I want an SUV for my fleet, for my family. But I want like a performance SUV more or less. This thing has got only 15,000 miles on it. Oh man. Santa Fe, you're quite impressive. Quite impressive. For the price tag of $44,000, I think it was. Selling price of $44,000. It's not cheap. The average car price in America today is what, around $50,000. So it's not cheap. Would you rather buy it new or buy it pre-owned? Get yourself a little bit of discount, 50,000 miles, the appreciation already came into effect, more or less. What do you think? Do you think this is a good buy for the family? What else did I discover in this thing? This thing is nice. This thing is nice. Guys, this is Barrington, Sun Toyota, Holiday, Florida. I'm here to help. I try and give walk-arounds on cars. I'm starting to do more pre-owned vehicles, not just Toyotas. Try and give you some hints, tips, tricks, do's and don'ts on financing or bad deals, good deals. Try and give you some honest reviews. If you like this kind of content, if you like seeing cars, I'm here 10, 11 hours a day. Leave a like. Subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel more than you know. But in the meantime, you guys will see me in the next video. Also, if someone's looking for a Santa Fe that you know, this is 2024, send this to them. I'll have the window sticker in the description of the car, in the description section, give you a breakdown of the car. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, those that did, and again, sorry to repeat myself, but you'll see me in the next video.